On Borrell, the aerial Voyager Meneses.
Kahanap na 3-point shooter. Meneses, tumira sa labas. Yeah! Makes it! Oh my goodness! 3-point now! 1.9 seconds. Hindi pa...
Meneses inside. Oh, what gets it? What a shot by the aerial Voyager. Ang trick. Velasco, tamo yung kambi niya. Ooh, yeah! Si Meneses. Pareho kasing kalbo eh. Pero ibang klase yun, ha? Ibang klase.
Sabi ko ba yun? Ganda. Mahilig ko na sa tagwa nito sa guriling bata eh. At ang taguran po ba?
Into Marata. Ngayon kay Meneses, kinuha pa sa aling yun.
Seconds to go. Pero 3-point now.
Oh, yeah!
Meneses goes down. What a shot! Yeah, that was a spectacular shot na tinatawag natin. Yung lipat ni Meneses. Get Angel Meneses. Get away! Meron pang foul. Isama niyo pang buong barangay.
Here's the outlet pass, Meneses.
By Meneses.
Whoa, what a goal!
Oh my God, it took about 3 seconds in the air before he finally put that ball down. Terrific move from the aerial.
Voya drops it off to Meneses. Woo! What a move!
Here's that acrobatic move by the aerial Voyager.
Meneses larawan na naman! Ayos ka! Nagbago! Ito sa taas. Itong si Meneses. Buti hindi nagdadala ito ng Bumix. Ba't doon nagbabasa sa taas?
Trying to get an offensive foul, but held it up.
Meneses inside. Oh, what a gets it!
At yung goal ba?
Championship pass. Alias pass of Fernandez to Meneses.